Hey guys, welcome back, and we're doing a classic unboxing here with the new Pixel 4 in the clearly white model. So quick look around the box, you can see the phone on the front there. On the side we've got Google, on the back we have another picture of the phone and the phone on the side there. So we'll go ahead and pull these tabs on the back. This is the 64GB model, so they only do two sizes, 64 and 128. And there you go, you pull the lid off. First thing you see is the phone facing you from the back. Go ahead and lift that up out there, and we'll put that off to the side for now. Take a look and see what else is in the box. So at the top here, we have some paperwork with a SIM ejection tool. So if you need to put your SIM in, a user guide, and some regulatory information. Then we have a Type-C to USB. So this is for transferring data across from your old phone to your new one. So you can go ahead and use your old cable, plug it in there and transfer data across. Then we have a Type-C to Type-C cable for charging and for data. And then down here we have the brick. And as I'm in the UK, I have a UK one here. And you can see, pop that out, and it's an 18-watt fast charger. So we'll go ahead, put that back in the box. Make sure you subscribe so you see the time to charge videos that I'll be doing. So here's the phone in a plastic sleeve. We'll go ahead and peel it off. And there it is, the Pixel 4. So taking a look, we'll power it on. And then taking a look around the side, you've got the orange power button with the volume rocker just beneath it. On the back, you've got the dual cameras with the flash underneath there. On the other side, you have just the SIM tray and nothing else along there. On the top, you have a microphone, and then along the bottom, you have another microphone, your Type-C port, and your speaker. And they don't look to be... Oh no, they are aligned. They're all in one line there. And then on the back as well, the Google logo with some branding down here. But if you're in the US, you may not have that. So we'll go ahead and power it on. You can see there, Google. And we'll go ahead and set this up. If you guys want to watch that video, click that link in the top right there. But we'll pop back once it's fully set up. Okay, so we just finished setting up the Pixel 4, and as you can see, we've landed onto the home screen with rather cool wallpaper by default from Google. And as you can see, the bezels around the side and bottom are all the same size and are thin, something like comparable to an iPhone. But then the forehead is a lot bigger, but that's to house all the sensors. So you have the speakers, the radar sensor, and the face unlock. That means you can detect things like your hand movement there across, so you can skip or go to previous tracks and dismiss alarms without even touching the phone. And taking a look at the camera, just taking a test shot of the cactus there, you can see really good detail, focuses well onto the cactus with good colour and a nice blurred background around the sides there. So a really nice camera. We'll do some more testing on that. And then locking the phone, you can see you have that always on display, and it uses the face unlock to unlock the phone there. You don't have to swipe it, but you can go in settings, because at the moment it just takes you straight in as soon as it sees your face and detects you, even with your eyes closed. So Google allow you to change that. But you can see there, as soon as you put your hand over, it starts to wake up the sensors so that by the time it can see your face, it's ready to log you in. But it means you can't see notifications, so I may go ahead and switch that off, so you have to swipe to get in. But you can see really fast, faster than something like an iPhone. And taking a look at the back there, you have a really soft glass. It doesn't feel like glass because it's got a matte finish along with the matte sides, and then that nice orange accented power button. You can see there again, it unlocked as soon as it saw my face. So really fast there, really useful, really like that feature. If you guys have any questions, post a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.